What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and this video is how I highlight and contour my face. So I have a plethora of concealers, but this is my #1 fave. I love the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 390. So to highlight my face, I go under my eyes, on my chin, right above my lip, down my nose, and on my forehead, right in the center. So when contouring, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Truffle. And when contouring, I like to draw an imaginary line from the top of my ear to the bottom, to the top of my lip. But I don't connect it to my lip, as you can see. And I like to go along my jawline, make a parentheses around my chin that helps make it look smaller, and go across my forehead. Well, not completely across my forehead, because the other side of my forehead is not visible when my hair is down, so I don't feel the need to contour the other side of my forehead. So yeah. So right after I highlight my face, I like to go in with powder to set my concealed area so that area does not crease. I like to go right in with powder. I usually use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but to switch it up, I'm using the Beauty Bakerie powder in the color Plantain. Now I'm taking a smaller brush to get my nose. It's better to use a smaller brush because you don't want to spread the concealer. You want to keep it right where it's at. So when blending my contour, I like to bring the product up. I never take the product down. That's how you get the contoured look. You never bring the product down. And I'm saying it right here. You never, ever. And for my jawline, I just drag it across the jawline. It just makes your chin look very sharp and chiseled. And then the thing on my chin just make your chin look a little smaller, you know. So right after that, I have to set that area. And don't talk about my baby. Yes, she's dirty. She's well used because we use her. Okay, I like to go in with big fluffy brushes, and that's why it's like pretty much all over the place. But I go in with that orange shade. That's what I use as my bronzer to bronze up the face. It gives your face back warmth. It gives your face back life. If you don't do this, what are you doing? So now I'm going in with a smaller brush, and it's a dual fiber brush. It just helps me out in the long run with my makeup so I don't mess it up. So now I'm showing you the bronze side, yes, and the contour side, baby, yes. So you can just see the difference what contour does. Now I'm going in with a tinier brush, and sorry for my facial expressions. I'll be talking like I'm not going to be doing a voiceover. So anyways, I'm going in with a smaller brush and with those two darker shades, and I'm just going on the sides of my nose and at the tip, and I try to concentrate that in that area. But after I do that, so it's not as sharp, I like to take my foundation brush and just go over my nose. This is a crucial step in my opinion. I like to go back in with powder and pinch at the sides of the nose. It just helps better with the illusion, I guess. You can see it. If you don't see it, I see it. So this is also a step I do when I want my contour to be really sharp, or I messed up and brought it down too far and I need to clean up the area. I just like to go right under it and connect it to my mouth and go like right under my little apple on my cheek. And then for a highlighter, I like to go on the highest point of my cheek and I follow my cheek like with the brush. As you can see, like I move my face with it. And we use a smaller brush for our nose for more precision. And that is it, guys. That is how you highlight and contour. We are snatched, baby. So could you please like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm coming with more videos. And you can add me on Instagram and Snapchat. And bye, y'all.